Welcome to 60 Basic Arabic Phrases for Every Beginner. Knowing just a few phrases can open up a whole new world when traveling in Arabic-speaking countries. It's like having a superpower. One minute you're struggling to order hummus, the next, you're having a full-on conversation. Okay, maybe not that intense, but you get the idea. Learning basic Arabic phrases is about showing respect and connecting with people. Plus, impressing your friends with your new skills never gets old. So, buckle up, language enthusiasts. We're diving into 60 basic Arabic phrases. Yalla, let's go. Let's kick things off with the basics, shall we? In Arabic, hello is marhaba. Pretty easy, right? Sabah al-khair means good morning. Who doesn't love a chipper good morning? Time to ask how someone is doing. Kaifa halak is your go-to phrase. It's like asking what's up with Arabian flair. Chapter 4. Daily Conversations. I'm fantastic, thanks for asking. And if someone asks how you are, hit them with Ana Bekher, which means I'm fine. Because hey, you're awesome and doing great. Chapter 5. Common questions. What's your name? Curiosity may have killed the cat, but it's essential for learning Arabic. Ask ma ismuka to find out someone's name. Remember, practice makes perfect. Chapter 6. Common questions. Where are you from? Ask min aina anta, meaning where are you from? Chapter 7. Please, the magic word. Remember your manners. Min fadlak means please. Use it and you'll be swimming in baklava. Chapter 8. Other useful phrases. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran is your go-to for thank you. Master this word and you'll be met with smiles and gratitude wherever you go. Chapter 9. Travel phrases. Lost and need a place to crash? Ask Aina al-Funduk, which means where's the hotel? Chapter 10. Travel phrases. Hailing a ride, Arabic style. Need a ride? Ataju ila taxi will get you a taxi. Chapter 11. Shopping phrases, the art of the haggle. Time to put your bargaining skills to the test. Ask Kam, Tham and Hadha to find out how much does this cost. Chapter 12. Shopping phrases. Scoring a sweet deal. Try hal yumkinuni al-husul ala kazim for can I get a discount? Chapter 13. Dining phrases. Ready to indulge in delicious Arabic cuisine? Yurid and atlub means I would like to order. Chapter 14. Dining phrases. Politely ask for the bill with al-fatura min fadlak. Chapter 15. Emergency phrases. Shouting for help. In an emergency, yell Musa'ada for help. Chapter 16. Emergency phrases calling for backup. If things escalate, Idasil Bil Shurta will summon the police. Stay safe out there. Chapter 17. Cultural phrases meeting and greeting with respect. Making a good first impression is key. Tasharafna is a polite way to say nice to meet you in Arabic. Chapter 18. Cultural phrases. Welcoming guests. Use Ahlan wa sahlan for a warm welcome. Ask hal tatakalam al-Ingliziyya. Feeling lost? Just say lea fam for I don't understand. Yurid is your go-to verb for I want. Basic verbs, what you really need, and when you absolutely need something, say ataju for I need it. Numbers counting from 1 to 10, get ready to count. Wahid is 1, Ithnan is 2, and so on. Days of the week, from Sunday fun day to Friday feeling. Al-Ithnain is Monday, the start of the work week, while Al-Jum'ah is Friday, the gateway to the weekend. Each day has its own vibe. From January to December, Yanayir starts the year, December ends it. Colors painting the town red or blue or green. Amar is red, the color of passion. Azraq represents calm blue. Family members. Ab means father, the head of the family, while represents the loving mother. Al-Jawhar means it's hot, perfect for a dip, while Al-Jawbarid signals it's cold, ideal for mint tea. Yasar will expertly guide you to the left, while Yamin confidently points you to the right, ensuring you never get lost. Hafila will get you on the bus, while Kitar will whisk you away on a train. Enjoy the ride. Accommodation finding your home away from home. Gurfa means room, your personal sanctuary, while Haz secures your reservation. Enjoy your stay. Health staying happy and healthy. See Tabib when you're under the weather and Dawa will get you the medicine you need. Technology staying connected. Hasub will get you online, while the internet keeps you connected to the entire world. Stay in touch with everyone everywhere. Work from 9 to 5 and beyond. AML represents your job and Maktab is where business happens. Education back to school. Madrasa is where knowledge is shared, and Mualim guides the way for students to learn and grow. Sports game on. Football is the beautiful game, while basketball brings the slam dunks. Entertainment lights, camera, action. Film transports you to another world while music sets your soul on fire, igniting passion. Nature appreciating Mother Earth. Shajara provides shade and beauty while Nar flows with life, nurturing all. The river's gentle flow sustains the ecosystem, bringing joy and vitality to every being. Animals are furry and not so furry friends. Kit is the perfect companion while Kalb is man's best friend. They bring joy to our lives. Raz sits atop, Yad helps you navigate the world. Kamish keeps you sharp, Surwal completes the look. Cubs is the staff of life, ours provides comfort. Drinks quenching your thirst. Ma is essential for survival, while Shay offers a warm and comforting embrace. Hobbies pursuing your passions. Kira expands your mind, Safar broadens horizons. Feelings riding the emotional roller coaster, Said is the feeling of pure joy, while Hazin reflects the heavy weight of sadness and sorrow. Sa'a marks the hours, Dakika reminds us to savor minutes. Mal drives the world, Thaman sets the value. Yurid and Ashtari expresses your desire to buy something, while Cam inquires about the price of the item. Travel adventures await. Ana Yusufir announces your travel plans, while Aina Al-Matar guides you to the airport. Checking in and settling down. Ladia Haz confirms your reservation, while Ataju Ila Gurfa secures your room. Health taking care of yourself. Ana Marid lets people know you're unwell, while Ataju Ila Tabib seeks medical attention. Technology navigating the digital world. Wi-Fi keeps you connected, while Kalamat Al-Sir ensures your online privacy is protected. Work, collaborating, and achieving. Anna Amal proudly declares your occupation, while Zamil introduces your new work buddy in the office. Education, the pursuit of knowledge. Talib represents the eager learner, while Faisal is where the magic truly happens. Together, they create an environment where learning thrives and curiosity is encouraged. Sports teamwork and triumph. Lueba signifies the thrill of the game, while Farik highlights the incredible power of unity and collaboration. Entertainment experiencing the arts. Hafla offers musical delight, while Mazra transports you through theater. Nature exploring the great outdoors. Jabal stands tall and majestic, while Bar invites you to dive into its clear blue waters. Animals from feathered friends to fantastic creatures. Tair soars through the sky, while Samak glides gracefully through the water. The wonders of the human body. Ain lets you see beauty, while Sak carries you on adventures. Clothing, expressing yourself through style. Fustan adds a touch of elegance, while Athia completes your unique look. Keep practicing your Arabic. So there you have it, folks. 60 basic Arabic phrases to help you navigate the vibrant world of the Arabic language. Learning a new language takes time and practice, but even a few phrases can make a world of difference. What are your favorite Arabic phrases? Share your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Until next time,